and then I'm going to crimp it by the end. So I'm just going to get that by the end there and squeeze down. Try to make sure I got bare wire where I'm crimping, and I got a good connection there. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I just shoved the wire through there really far, and there we go. I'll try to leave about that much, just a little bit of wire there at the end, and I just slide this onto there. Now squeeze down, and we have a good grip on that one there, so we'll plug it in. So now these two, I tested them out a little bit earlier. They